bumping than the last one. Oh, it's beating us up. Rancho Real. La excelencia.
And lifetime of the tobacco tree is 100 or 104 days. After that, the tree no grow no more. So take the plant and put a new one. Now, when the plant reaches 75 days, we take this leaf out from the tree. This leaf here we call it capote. And capote we use it to form this kind of leaf. Viso, that's medium tobacco. Seco, smooth tobacco. Ligero, strong tobacco. So these three tobacco we fold it and we put it here. That's what he's going to do now. Take a look at what he's going to do. He went a little bit ahead, but you're going to do it again, and then you go to see it. Ya, se fue adelante.
Bueno, manito. Será bueno.
And then, after he makes all the three leaves, he put it here. Okay?
Okay. In the press.
And then they turn it, they close. That one the more full already, okay? And then we put it over there. Prints.
Oh.
Over here.
Hacerle otro para que yo vea.
Then the print this.
Hey.
That's good. So this here. Okay?
Mira uno ahí.
Ya bien.
So after
Ese
that,
trentica ahí.
after the pressing,
Okay, we leave it there at least 3-4 hours. Like that they can compact like this. Time.
Okay.
See? Give it the shape. This shape is torpedo shape. The other one he do there is toro shape. So different. Okay? So now, ¿quién que va a hacer?
Yo ahora mismo voy para allá.
Okay. Now he going to be coming here and finish. Now we do another leaf. This one here. Especialmente por Pedro.
Tiene más cojines que.
You see now we use this kind of leaf. It's different all these, the rubber, okay? You have to wear it out a little bit like that, can string and don't break. You can see this. And again, okay? Yeah. The other one, no, the other one has to be dry because it's the filler, okay? So now take a look at what he's going to finish this cigar with.
No, ya sacarlo. No lo voy a sacar de ahí.
Kutija. Aj pošalje mi za svaku koju te zanima i sad ću vidjeti.
Pegar a medio mañana, güey.
Dobro, ajde, sad će da vidimo, samo mi pošalje koje hoćeš. Me parece. Caja, ¿cuánto te sale?
Oh, te digo ahora.
No tengo cosa.
A ver.
Mentira, envuélvela primero. That's the glue we use for cigar, okay? 100% natural, the glue made from the sugar cane. Eso sale como en 200 y pico de dólares. 20 cigarros. Esa es la grande.
Eso es grande y este King, esto lo compré.
Sí.
Me vas a dar precio y de una vez me va a llevar.
Ajá. Ok, ahora hablamos.
Ahora te va a decir por cuál cigarro necesita precio y me llevo de una vez.
¿Cómo? Ah, por ahí mismo. Pero yo hoy sábado que estaba en bancarrota.
Pero es por Sasha,
Ok.
sale, porque este chico grande, ella está en Melilla y no puede llegar porque está con mujer
Ajá.
y con niño y no tiene tiempo para llegar.
Mira que bien, nos conviene eso a nosotros todos.
Yo soy más pequeño serbio que tú conoces.
Mini serbio.
Is that your brand? Su marca en la estampilla?
No,
No,
that's
what
what
is
you have to put this the little top, like that you can close the top.
Okay.
Then after you have to cut it again.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's his brand.
Well, yes, I just thought I saw him stamp it, so I thought he put something on
This,
it.
you have to put it like that, you close it the cigar.
Okay.
Then you cut it off.
That's finished. That's it. Easy.
Awesome.
It's no big deal to make it.
Yeah,
Easy.
Okay.
Anybody can
So
do it.
after that, we bring the cigar downstairs. After we finish here, then we go downstairs. Now what we can do, or you can do, if you like, these people, they can give you a hand to make your own cigar.
Yes.
You see here, you see over there, or you see over here, and then you can roll your own, okay?
Okay, bueno.
Yeah, señora.
Okay, if you want to try, you can.
Fumas mucho?
No, no consumo.
Patricio.
Peña, dame una capa bacana y pero dame.
Peña. Dame un impulso.
Y de flavor vanilla cigar.
Banana?
Vanilla.
Okay. Oh, vanilla.
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 Okay, vanilla.
Look at. Y roll it, roll it, roll it.
Okay.
Finish. You.
Okay.
Roll it. Oh, profesional.
Yeah, give her a job.
Necesito un trabajo.
Yes.
Un trabajo.
It's blue de caña de azúcar. De sugar king blue.
Okay. Con agua?
Water.
No, like water and sugar cane?
Uh-huh.
Sugar cane, yes. Sugar, the natural glue.
Is
Sugar
roller.
cane.
Esto.
Everything is totally organic.
I know, I'm jealous of it.
And filled with white.
En los Estados Unidos, nada es orgánico.
Roller.
Roll it?
Yes.
No. Con más
No,
sugar
no,
cane?
no.
Yes.
No good.
Roller. Oh. Yes.
So,
Let's see.
Keep rolling and you cut it off.
yes, I just didn't know to keep going.
Oh,
Arriba?
yes,
Yes.
arriba.
Arriba?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
From this.
See? See? Mm. Easy. Got it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Power. Oh.
No, bueno.
Guillotina.
Guillotina, ¿sí?
Yep.
Power.
Okay.
Hold it.
Okay.
Professional.
Perfecto. Guillotine. That's called guillotine. Es vanilla. Sí.
Vanilla.
Muchas gracias, señor.
Okay, presente.
All right, te toca a ti, Steve.
Amigo.
Oh, I'll try it.
Yes, you can. You know you'll like it.
Excelente. Profesional aquí.
Now it's Steve's turn to make a cigar. Y necesitas decidir si quién estás mejor, él o yo.
Okay.
Y la respuesta es yo.
Okay. Ja muszę być mama, teraz wy nagrywać. Nagrywajcie cię mamę.
Esto.
Nagrywaj
Jest
mamę, a
blue.
matka mnie. To jest moje telefonie.
Roller.
To mnie chyba. Okay, no problem.
Esto.
A la di.
Blue.
Aquí primero, a la mamá. Acá primero. Un momento. ¿Cómo dice?
Roller.
A ella primero
Roller.
You first?
Roller.
Sí.
Yes.
y a él un
Yes.
momento. Con él primero. Un momento. Claro.
You.
Czekamy. Pełno momentu.
Sí, uno momento.
Power.
Uno momento.
Okay. Here.
Yes. Power.
Guillotina.
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 3%.
All right.
Pero no para la cabeza.
Bueno, guys, you are like on a crash course.
Crash course.
Amigo.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Mucho encantado.
No power now. We ran out of the power today
Okay.
because they fixing something in electric. Okay, but you can film.